Lumpiang Shanghai. So now we've got the grated carrots and chopped up spring onions. They smell nice. Can you smell them?
Yeah, do you know that I actually use them for porridge?
For porridge! That's right. Okay, well not the carrots, these are spring onions, right? Okay, now we're gonna add the pork. Ready? The what?
Not the butt stuff, okay?
So now we're gonna put all of the pork in that mix. You're gonna mush it all up. Can you do that? Mush, mush, mush.
Cold. So cold.
Came from the fridge. Oh wow.
Cold as ice. Carrots, spring onions, oyster sauce, mirin, sesame oil, black pepper, and egg mix of garlic and onion powder.
Yeah, that's this one, the mix of garlic and onion powder. We're gonna mix it all up. You guys are ready?
Yep.
Start mixing everything up. Okay, just put the oyster sauce. Put the oyster sauce. Come on. That's about 2 shots of oyster sauce, and this is half a kilo of pork. Put it on. Put it in. All of it. Yeah. Good job. Put all of that. This is like 1/8 cup of mirin. Okay, and then same for our sesame oil. Yeah, I love the smell of sesame oil. It's gonna add like that toasty taste to our Shanghai. Okay, now with your hands, start mushing it all up together. Mush, mush, mush. Make sure it's mixed up very well. Excuse me. I want to add more oyster sauce because that color is good enough for me. And we want want it to be a little bit dark so we know that it has enough flavor. Ooh. Now some people actually use soy sauce, but mommy likes soy sauce. Okay. Is that okay? Is that okay, Tita? Angel? We're gonna start mixing again. Okay. Filling is done! Yay! Okay, so now we've got some lumpia wrappers. Okay, and you guys are gonna separate the fine. Start cooking na. Okay. What? Kakashi also makes lumpia? Or are you imagining Kakashi making lumpia? Okay, check.
I'm
Make
imagining he's here making lumpia.
Amazing.
Imagine if Kakashi is using his hand sides to mush it. I'll say, Kakashi, that's not how you mush things.
What? Maybe if Kakashi was the one mixing our filling, it'll be much faster.
Yeah, fastest hand sander. Hand sander.
Do you think?
His hands go like.
Who do you think will be faster, Kakashi or Naruto? What? How about you, Tita? Who do you think will be faster in wrapping lumpia? Kakashi or Naruto? I'm asking Tita. How about you, Tita Angel? Si Kakashi din. Why?
Kakashi's hands go.
Really?
Very good.
Okay. I've mixed some cornstarch with water, and this will act as our glue. And what are you doing? Burrito. We're not making burrito. We're making lumpia. Start wrapping. Okay, get your filling. Yeah. Make sure you don't put too much. Oh, here, use the spoon. Not too much. Konti lang. Right? Just the right amount. Got it.
Your cheeks one.
Use your hands, yeah. And then using your hands, just like Play-Doh, at the very bottom, spread your filling. How are you feeling? Feeling?
Feeling like my feeling. Feeling.
Make sure there is space on the side so that you can fold the sides. Right? May space pa sa gilid, may space sa sides. Para itutusin natin mamaya. Okay, ikaw paano ka naman? Nakakulang naman yung laman mo. Okay, and then let's fold the first part. And then glue the sides. You can glue the sides.
Well, not really. Don't use glue. Don't use glue.
Don't use glue.
Don't use glue.
This is our cornstarch and water mix. It's important to make sure that your wrappers are moist or wet enough so that you can fold them without causing cracks.
Stop making fools.
Ta-da! So this is Mommy's lumpia. How about you guys? Mallory, type. Not where are you typing? You're supposed to be folding.
Remember last video when you made the
But you want to make sure that your lumpia is not too fat. Okay, put some glue po. You didn't put water po.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Add more pa, tita.
Not too much.
Okay. Yan, perfect.
Your hand.
Okay, kailangan walang butas, ha? O, tsaka yung hair natin, girls, sa gilid. Yan, yan, yan. Good job. Okay. Smile! Okay. Ang ganda naman ang mga kagagawa natin ng lumpia. Okay, ate? Let's you pack away the plate? Oh, let's put it back. Ate. One for ate. One for daddy. We'll put one for Tita Angel. One for Carla. One for mommy. One for Lola. Okay, let's take a bite.
So healthy. Don't forget to share it with the ones you love.
Yay!